Hi, my name is Matthew Heggie, certified coach with Opta. I'm going to show you how to place your first order if you are a client. Most of the time, the coach places the client's first order, but some clients say, hey, I want to do it myself. So here's how you do it. I'm going to screen share now. There's my beautiful family. We're going to go to optavia.com. So just go to your search bar, type in optavia.com, go to Google, find optavia.com, and you're going to go find a coach. So for me, it's Matthew Heggie. But put your coach's name in there. You want to find your coach who you're searching for and find a coach. And then you'll be able to see their name and where they're from. So this is Matthew Heggie. And you're going to go connect me. And now if you look, you're on your coach's page, Matthew Heggie. You see their ID number and you see their face. Now we're going to click on shop. I'm in the Safari browser. You can pick a kit. I haven't been using kits because ever since COVID, there has been food shortages. So sometimes Optavia might replace one food with another. So let's mess things up a little bit. So I go to shop all and I pick my client's 22 boxes of foods. So I click that, and now here's a little nuance. I just clicked that. You saw me click it, but it didn't start loading. I had to click it twice. Sometimes I have to click it a couple times. Maybe my internet is working really well. So just for the sake of argument, we're going to pick 22 boxes of food. I'm just picking the mint bars, but you can scroll and pick whatever foods you want. If you have allergies or special diets, you can click on whatever allergies or special diets you have right here. Or you can shop just by, the bars, the drinks, but I just scroll through them. So now I'm going to say add my 22 boxes to the cart. I'm going to go to continue shopping. Sometimes when I click checkout, it brings me to like the checkout screen where I want to get to this screen where I want to view my cart. So now that I'm viewing my cart, I make sure I click on this box. I'd like to join the Optavia Premier Club simply because that's going to save you $117, about $17 on shipping. It also gets you 5 free boxes of food. So double check to make sure that your order total is about $354. Some of us want to add the Habits of Health Transformation System. It's part of the program. So click on that and then click on checkout. Now you can see that the system has been added and now your price is about $404.60. So now we're going to, I like to double check everything. Is this the food I want? Do I have only one of these in the kit, not 2? Is the price correct? Now we're going to click on checkout. And you're going to create an account, and we're going to go James Heggie, less than 10 pounds, whatever you want to do. James Heggie 1994 at gmail.com. And then I'm going to go make a passcode. Your passcode needs to have a capital, a number, and a figure like an exclamation point or, some type of character, unusual character. I use the same passcode for me and all of my clients. If you make a passcode and your coach doesn't know it, your coach can't go in and help you modify or edit your order. And that's great if you want to have your own passcode. But if you want your coach to be able to help you, make sure you know your passcode if you need your coach to go in and help you with your order. Register and check out. Would you like to save this passcode? Yeah, I'll save the passcode, because the next time when I return, it'll be saved. So now my computer is taking its time. So my address, I'll put my address in there. Fill this out. I'm just trying to give you the tutorial. I live in Center Valley. What state am I in? Pennsylvania. And my zip code is 18034. My country code is United States. And my phone number is, that's already memorized on my computer. So I double check all my information. I'm double checking the price. Make this my default address. I'm going to go to next. That's my address. I'm going to use this address. I actually don't want to submit this order or place this order. So I'm going to stop at a certain point. I think you all are pretty intelligent. You'll be able to understand it from there. I think the next screen is going to ask me for my credit card information. You would enter that. If your billing address is different from your mailing address, you would change that. And then you would say, I'm not a robot, and click next. And then the next screen is submit order. Before you submit your order, make sure the price is right, make sure your foods are right. And after you submit that order, and you can see all that stuff right here on the side of the screen. After you submit that order, you'll get an email verifying that you placed the order. Your coach will get an email verifying that you placed the order. And since you did join the Premier Club, 7 days before your next order processes, you will get an email. 4 days before your next order processes, you will get an email. You can go back and edit, modify that order whenever you want. You have 60 days to cash in on those rewards. So if you're earning $36, if you see right here on the right, and 59 cents in rewards, within 60 days, if you order again, that will come off of your next order. You also, within 60 days, if you place an order in your Premier account, will get free shipping if your order is $250 or more. If it's $150 or more, it's $5 shipping. Less than $150 when you order in your next Premier, I think shipping is around $17. Now, a mistake people make when they go back and edit their order is they go back in and they shop, but they don't shop in their Premier. So they don't get their shipping savings, and they're not getting these earnings savings. So when you do reorder, make sure you shop out of your Premier order. Don't just go in and shop. Go in, log into your Premier, and make sure before you check out on your second time your order that you are getting these rewards, that it is within 60 days, and that you are getting the shipping discounts that I spoke of. Anyway, hopefully this helps. Like, follow, or reach out to your coach with any questions or concerns. Have a great day.